finally arrived in our Airbnb. So this is our Airbnb. About 1 block away lang din yung mga commercial district in Hollywood. Hinihingal ako because we had to bring all our luggages up and I had to help Jeru. So this is our car, the car that we rented. It's a Toyota Sienna. And there are 2 parking slots allotted for us in our apartment. So, hi, hingal. So there's a gym there. It's a private gym. And then there's a lawn there. And then that's the entrance to our apartment. Here. So we had to bring up all this. And I had to help Jeru. So, pagod ako. So here, there's a table set up here. If you want to chill outside the house. And this is our Airbnb. Tada! Okay. So, this is the dining area. This is the view from our apartment. It's very minimalist. And this is exactly how I want it to be. Simple lang. Malinis. Hindi masyadong cluttered. So, and I want it small kasi it's so hard to maintain an apartment for 35 days na malaki. Kung ako lang. And at least, everything is within my reach. Madaling ayusin. Ay, resume ko yung face mask ko. Plus, ano pa ba? So yon. So, madali nga kami magkakitaan kasi malapit. So, madaling i-maintain. So, there. This is not mura. Because this is in the Hollywood area. We had to pay premium for a good location. So, here. Yan. So, this is the dining area. It's just a table for 4. The living room area, pwede daw may matulog siyaan. And then, this is the kitchen. Sobrang nice no host. He's an Irish. Super host siya. So, according to the Airbnb review, because this is in the Hollywood area, if you go out, there's a lot of celebrities that you will see outside, vloggers, influencers. There's a lot of shooting going on when you walk around. The Walk of Fame is just 5-minute walk from our apartment. So, yon. So, this the kitchen is so beautiful. So, magbabahay-bahayan kami. Wala kaming yaya. I will be the one cooking for the family. We will do grocery tomorrow. So, yon. Ganda, diba? So, while I am preparing here, andyan sila. Diba? So, kaya sabay-sabay kami prepare ng food. They will help me. They're excited anyway. So, this is the kitchen. There's a washing machine and a dryer. Oh, yay! They have Dyson. Dyson yung vacuum nila, Daddy. And then, I requested for a printer and nag-provide siya ng printer. So, yan. So, yung mga cleaning materials daw, I don't need to buy. I don't need to buy kitchen towels. I don't need to buy bathroom towels, bathroom tissues because he will replenish daw every week. Ang linis, so. So, pagka Airbnb na nga, you have your own kitchen, all these utensils pwedeng gamitin. DeLonghi yung coffee maker niya. Yan. Plus, I requested if he can provide a rice cooker, which he generously provide. In fact, bago yan, bumili siya para i-add dito sa unit niya because I requested. So, yon. So, ano pang nandito? Ayan, kitchen. Okay. What's this? Dishwasher. Hindi naman tayo nagdi-dishwasher na family eh. Ang mga cleaning materials. Ang linis! And then, every week daw, once a week, he will be sending his cleaner to clean the house. Nice, diba? So, microwave oven. What else are here? Yan. And pants. What are here pa? Whoa! Nice! He's a very generous host. And what else is here? None. Okay. And then this he provided, which he will replenish daw every week. There, lahat yan. Nice, no? So, yon. So, I'm happy. I'm really happy with this Airbnb that we got. Are you tired? You wanna go out na? This is the first bedroom. This is the first bedroom. So, and then there's a study table, there's a TV. Yun. Nice, no? And then, of course, the bedroom has a view outside. Uy, may chocolate pa ulit. They have towels. They have bathrobe. So nice, grabe. And then this is the CR. Okay, number one consideration ko is a clean CR. Mess-free CR. Ayoko ng kadire. Diba? Ang linis. Hindi siya kadire, diba? So, yan, he provided for that resume also. And they're all new. So, yun. Very, very beautiful. And then, this is the second bedroom. Lalabas ako. So, both the bedroom 1 and bedroom 2 have access to the bathroom. Yeah. Sige, you can... Okay, we have to put that in the ref first. Oh, I have not opened the ref. Baka may pa-surprises, sir. Ah, wala. So, I have to do my grocery. May ice lang, which I will not use. Baka pinagtirahan lang yan ng ibang tao.
Mommy, I want to eat the Pringles.
Okay.
Can I eat this?
Tapos na picture na yung daddy, eat daw siya. So, this is the second bedroom. It's smaller. Okay, it has TV also.
Can I eat this?
Okay. So, yon. So, it has access also to the bathroom. Yan. Yay, I'm so happy. Ang laki ng closet nila. And then, there's another window here. So, yon. So, basically, that's it. And then, syempre, free yung Wi-Fi. Oh, why did I not turn on the lights? It was dark. Yung nagre-review ako. So, yan. Okay na yan. Eto, wala bang lights to? Ito na yung lights nito. So, yun. So, happy talaga. This is so perfect for us. And, of course, they have free internet. So, this apartment is called World Artist Living. Kasi nga, there's several artists just going around this area. And the owner was a celebrity himself who was touring around also before. That's why, according to him, he knows the feeling of being a traveler. And so yon. So even in Ireland daw, they have mga apartment business na holiday apartment business similar to this. So he's really an expert. So yon. So yun lang. We'll have to go out. It's already 8:30. Bye!